If you're in Shimending and craving for legit noodles, this spot should be on your list. Tara dito sa Lao Shandong Handmade Noodles. Located siya dito sa One Yan Building, itong green building na yan. Pasok lang kayo dito, guys. Just take the escalator pababa. Aside sa Lao Shandong, may mga ibang restaurants ba dito? So kung nag-crave kayo ng mga pork chop, and naghahanap kayo ng kanin, marami dito sa food court na to, guys. Alam nyo ba, Lao Shandong have been serving handmade noodles since 1949, and yes, this place is Michelin Bib Gourmand recognized. Yung price ng mga food nila ranges from like 180 NTD to 200. And may mga rice meals din sila. Nag-order kami nitong dumpling soup, and grabe, ang laki pala ng mga servings nila dito. So, isa lang naman yung in-order namin, and super filling nito. Hindi tinipid yung laman. And of course, nag-order tayo ng beef noodles. This is 200 NTD, and napakalaki pala, guys. Tapos tigigisa kami ng binili. Grabe yung beef niya, sobrang lambot. Yung noodles niya, chewy and fresh, alam mong handmade talaga. Yung broth lang, hindi siya ganun kalasa, guys. Parang medyo natabangan lang kami. Pero may mga condiments naman available para ma-adjust nyo yung lasa based sa preference nyo. Tip lang, kung hindi kayo masyadong malakas mag-noodles, guys, mag-sharing na lang kayo. Parang 3 yata kami hindi nakaubos kasi super busog na talaga kami. Overall, it was just okay for us. May natikman kasi kami sa Jufen na mas rich and mas flavorful yung broth ng noodles. Kaya medyo nag-expect kami dito sa Lao Shandong. If ito try nyo rin to or na-try nyo na, let me know what you think, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Keep following me for your vlogs and just go with the flow. Bye!